cannot emphasize how much I get this question. Always, always. What is it? Can I keep my name after I get divorced? This is very simple. It's in your divorce decree. Look on the last line. Does it say wife may go back to her maiden name, or wife should go back to her maiden name? Should she go back to her maiden name, or should you go back to your maiden name after the divorce? That is usually in the divorce decree, usually near the last line. If it does not state this expressly, then you may keep the married name if you want to after the divorce. Many women do, as I've said in my previous videos, because they have kids in the marriage and the kids have the last name and they want to have the same name as their kids. But if it doesn't specify, you may keep it. I've been divorced for 13 years. I still use my husband's name of Williams. I don't plan on giving it up anytime soon. If I get remarried, I don't know if I will change my name, because that just complicates all of the documents that I have. Your divorce decree might specify that you may or you must go back to your maiden name. If it says you may, it means you have the choice. If it says you must, then you have to drop the married name and go back to your maiden name. But everybody asks me this, and whenever they ask me, they always say, well, I want to go back to my right name or my real name or my original name. And that is why I asked the question about what is a woman's name before marriage. Maiden name. You may keep your married name after the divorce, or you may go back to your maiden name. I'm Gail of A76 Documents. Thanks for watching.